for her. So let's start from the beginning, shall we? All she has to do is pick it up. That's it. Good. Now that word good, you've been hearing us say throughout the show, it's actually a bridge word. We did it! And you can expect a reward to soon to follow. Now remember, in the beginning, no clue. 20 to 30 repetitions in 3 of these in a couple weeks to figure it out. So let's move on, shall we? Now she has to learn to pick it up and put it in my hand. Good. Well, what about this way? Good. Now, folks, we got very frustrated with this part. Because for a while, sorry, Missy, she was rewarded for just picking it up. So now what? So she dropped it. I caught it, Bridget rewarded it. Took her 1 week in one of these. All right, so let's make it a little more difficult. Let's add some distance to that. So this very basic behavior sets you up for something a little more difficult. Now you guys probably seen me do a little bit of this before the show started, but it shows you it's the same concept, just simply a prop. Here's the bells, and of course, how can we forget your Christmas tree? It's time to decorate. Good girl.